How to treat insulin resistance naturally. If you have insulin resistance, that is pre-diabetes, your cells don't respond normally to insulin. If it is not reversed, insulin resistance can lead to type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance can be reversed naturally through changes in diet and supplements. Not only will reversing insulin resistance improve your blood sugar, it will also improve your overall health. Here are some tips to treat insulin resistance. Eat more complex carbohydrates. At least 90 to 95% of the carbohydrates you eat should be complex. This can help regulate your blood sugar. Try to eat most of your complex carbohydrates at lunch and cut down on the portion sizes of other meals. Complex carbohydrates are found in whole unprocessed foods like whole grains, peas, lentils, beans, and vegetables. Cut down processed foods. Reduce extra sugars and fats that are usually added to processed food. Rather, try to eat natural or simply prepared foods. Cook from starch as often as possible and choose organic foods to avoid chemicals. You should avoid chemicals if you are trying to reverse insulin resistance. Limit your sugar intake. Overeating sugars like glucose, sucrose, fructose, and high fructose corn syrup can increase your risk for type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and obesity. Sugar by itself does not cause diabetes, but drinking more sugar-filled beverages is linked to higher blood sugar levels and to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Take more fruits and vegetables. Don't think that you have to avoid fruits because they are sweet. You should take a variety of fruits and vegetables to get nutrients your body needs. Since the sugars in fruits are combined with the fiber, your body will slowly absorb the sugar. Try to eat fruits and vegetables with the peel so you get more fiber. Drink lots of water. You should also increase the amount of water you drink. The Institute of Medicine recommends that you drink 1 to 2 liters or about 6 to 8 ounce glasses per day. Add more fiber. Good sources of fiber include bran, beans, berries, whole grains, vegetables, and seeds. Some fiber like flax seeds also contains a good amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Research shows that increasing your insoluble fiber intake along with whole grains can reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Take vitamin supplements. Take a B-complex vitamin to get biotin, niacin, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. Biotin helps regulate glucose, niacin can lower cholesterol, and B6 and B12 prevent nerve damage from high blood sugar. You can also take vitamin C to reduce insulin resistance and 600 IU of vitamin D to boost your sensitivity. Current research suggests that several vitamins and minerals are important to control blood sugar. Take antioxidants. Alpha-lipoic acid, that is ALA, is an antioxidant that keeps blood glucose levels stable. It also stimulates blood flow and can never damage caused by high blood sugar. Take 300 to 1000 mg of ALA every day. L-carnitine is another antioxidant that can repair nerve damage caused by high blood sugar. Take healthy fats. Your body needs fat to function efficiently. Healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids, evening primrose oil, and flaxseed can all reduce inflammation caused by high blood sugar levels. Omega-3 fatty acids can improve insulin sensitivity. Studies showed that eating 40 grams of flaxseed taken every day over the course of several months may reduce insulin resistance.